Roll.
Hi everyone, I'm Henry.
And I'm Regin.
And welcome back to College Cooking with the Bite Nights.
In every episode, we'll be teaching you recipes and cooking skills that you could use in college and for the rest of your life. Today we'll be making
one-pan chicken and veggies. If you want to cook along with us, you can find the recipe at the link in the description. So it's our first time cooking this recipe, so we're going to learn it together. And the first thing that we want to do is wash our hands.
All right. So we just finished washing our hands and we just preheated our oven to 425 degrees. This is our chicken. We're gonna cut it into 1/2-inch pieces. And while I do that, I'm
gonna cut up our sweet potato. So first I'm gonna wash a potato and then we wanna pierce it with a fork so that the inside can get steamed as well when we put it in the microwave.
While he's doing that, I'm gonna be cutting the chicken into 1/2-inch pieces.
And now we'll get it in the microwave. How do you do 2.5? Today we're gonna learn how to use a microwave.
Moments later.
All right, that's 2.5 minutes. So we're gonna flip it and go 2.5 more.
More moments later.
All right, so our chicken's cut, our potato is out of the microwave. Now we're gonna cut this up and get the rest of our vegetables out. Also, it's a good idea to keep the skin on your sweet potato because it's got a lot of good stuff in it.
What kind of stuff?
Oh, like just
Potassium?
yeah.
Yep. So we'll be pouring our veggies all over the pan. Today we have broccoli, carrots, and cauliflower.
And you can use whatever vegetables you like, but these ones are really good. And you can cook them straight from frozen. And there we go, our potatoes ready. We've got some veggies on the pan here. We went ahead and lined our pan with parchment paper. If you don't have parchment paper, you can use olive oil or cooking spray. Those work as well. And so now we're just gonna get the rest of our veggies and chicken onto the pan so we can cook. Well, first we gotta make our seasoning. So Regin's tossing that up. Now we're gonna prepare the seasoning that we're gonna put all over these veggies and chicken.
All right, first we need 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
Oh. There you go. All right, 3 tablespoons olive oil. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
And then we need 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We love some spice.
We love some spice. 2 teaspoons.
1/2 teaspoon of onion powder.
1/2 teaspoon onion powder.
And 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. And 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin.
All right.
So just mix that up and pour it all over your chicken.
This is gonna be so good.
Okay, I'm gonna be mixing it up. Again, you could use whatever veggies you want to use. If you don't like broccoli, you could use, I don't know, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, whatever. If you don't like carrots, you could use other veggies as well. That look good?
Yeah.
Wait, hold on.
Just spread it out. Now we're gonna get it into the oven. We have it preheated at 425 and we're cooking for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna take it out, toss and turn it, and go for another 10 minutes.
I think the recipe is really good. I'm excited to try it out.
Me too. This is like something that I would put inside of a tortilla. You know, burrito-fy this.
I think it would be good with a bowl of quinoa, rice,
True.
or like
Yeah, it'd be good over something.
a salad.
All right. Great. It's all done. Ooh.
The beauty. That smells so good.
Oh yeah.
The food is looking really good. It smells delicious.
It's very fragrant. Everything looks cooked through pretty well. The one thing that we do want to check is the chicken. If you do have a food thermometer, then you can put it in the chicken and see if it reaches 165. Then you know that your chicken's set. But if you don't have one, like most of us college students, then you can just open up a piece of chicken and make sure that there's no pink juice coming out. And if it looks cooked through, then you're good. Let's see.
Our chicken is looking good.
Oh yeah. So it looks really nice and cooked through. Pulls apart nicely. And Should we eat it?
Should we eat it?
Cheers.
Cheers.
That's so good.
good.
The
Perfect.
chicken's very moist and it's a great flavor. I want to try some of the vegetables too.
I really like
Yeah.
the chili powder. You could taste it. It adds a little je ne sais quoi to the dish.
Oh my gosh. Basically, what Regin's trying to communicate here is this is delicious and it's super easy for you to make at home, just like we did.
Mhm.
This was our first time, came out wonderfully, and we're really enjoying it. And now, thanks for watching. We really enjoyed making this and we're enjoying eating it now. We hope you like it too. Let us know if you cooked along with us and what you think of the dish.
If you want to see more recipes, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and hit that notification button.
And we'll see you next time.